Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the second part of the video, question words. We have already discussed few question words in our last video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start. Next question word is combien and combien de. Combien we are using for how much and combien de we are using for how many. Right? Basically, where we need to define some numbers, where we are using combien de. We'll discuss it with the help of examples. And the next question word is quel. Quel, which means who. It could be which or it could be what. Right? Quel has different forms, or it has different parts. For example, this is for masculine, this is for feminine, this is for masculine plural, and this is for feminine plural. Right? So when we are using quel, we need to agree with the gender and the number. Right? We'll discuss this also with the help of examples. So let's start with combien and combien de. Combien coûte ce livre? Coûte is a cost, is a verb. Combien coûte ce livre? How much does this book cost? How much does this book cost? Right? Combien coûte ce livre? Next, combien ça coûte? Again, same verb we have used here. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Ça means this, anything which this or that, right? Combien ça coûte? How much does this cost? Next example is combien de pommes as-tu? Pomme, apple, and this is plural, apples. Combien de pommes as-tu? How many? As we have discussed combien de when we are defining numbers. Combien de pommes as-tu? How many apples you have? How many apples you have? Right? Next, combien de jours restez-vous ici? Jours, days, rester, to stay. How many days are you staying here? Combien de jours restez-vous ici? How many days are you staying here? Right? Next, combien de billets veux-tu acheter? Billets, tickets. Veux, vouloir, which means want. Combien de billets veux-tu acheter? Acheter is to buy. How many tickets you want to buy? Combien de billets veux-tu acheter? Correct? Because we have already conjugated first verb, then the other verb will be in the base form. Right? Next example. Combien de frères et sœurs as-tu? Frères. S is missing here. Combien de frères? How many brothers and sisters you have? Combien de frères et sœurs as-tu? How many brothers and sisters you have? I hope combien and combien de is clear. Okay, let's move to quel. As I said, quel means who, which, or what. It can be used as an adjective with the noun, or it can replace noun as a pronoun. Right? We'll discuss these with the help of examples. And as I already said, that they should agree with the number and the gender. Quel livre aimes-tu? Livre, book, which is masculine. So we have used masculine only. Which book you like? Which book you like? Quel livre aimes-tu? Correct? Next example. Quel film veux-tu regarder ce soir? Veux, want. Regarder, to watch. Which film? Because film is masculine, that's why quel is also masculine. Quel film veux-tu regarder ce soir? Which film you want to watch this evening? Quelle film veux-tu regarder ce soir? Next example, quelle. Quelle chanson. Chanson is song, which is feminine word. That's why quelle is also feminine. Quelle chanson préfères-tu? Quelle chanson préfères-tu? Préfère means prefer, preference. So which song you prefer? Which song you prefer? Correct? Quelle chanson préfères-tu? Next example. Quelle robe. Robe is dress, which is feminine word. Quelle robe vas-tu porter à la fête? Va, aller. Which dress you are going to wear in the party or at the party? Quelle robe vas-tu porter à la fête? Which dress you are going to wear at the party? Next, let's move to plural, masculine plural. Quel cours as-tu aujourd'hui? Cours means classes. Which classes you have today? Which classes you have today? Quel cours as-tu aujourd'hui? Correct? Because cours masculine and is plural, so we have used plural here. Quels sont tes chanteurs préférés? Préférés, sorry. Chanteur means singer. Quels sont tes chanteurs préférés? Who are your favorite singers? Quels sont tes chanteurs préférés? Right? Chanteur, singers, favorite. Now coming to quel, feminine, plural. Quelle langue parles-tu? Long, language, which is feminine word, and this is plural here, so we have used plural quelle. Quelle langue parles-tu? Which languages you speak, or which are the languages you speak? Correct? Quelle langue parles-tu? Next example, quelle fleur, flower. This is also feminine word, and this is plural, so we have used feminine plural. Quelle fleur aimes-tu? Which flowers you like? Quelle fleur aimes-tu? I hope combien, combien de, and quel are clear. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.